So guys, today I'm going to change the Cadillac Escalade. So this is the problem. Changing for Escalade handle. So this is from Yukon, kind of Taiwan, but looks exactly the same. Chrome also. Just like so. Works good. Let's take a door handle apart and install it. Okay, so for this kind of job we're looking for the door handle and few tools. Let's get this tool first. So we need to pick and it's a 10mm and also right here. Right here, and it's supposed to be two bolts. So 10mm socket. Okay, so after we took 1, 2, 3 bolts, so we need to the screwdriver. We need to pop the door panel out. Okay. Here we go. Let's get this piece out. Pick out our bolts so they will not lose somewhere in the door panel, then lift it up. Okay, one more thing right here. Need to pull it and lift it up. Forgot about this part. And then now let's lift it. Okay, so have a cable. So we need to get this cable out, wires, and this light also. Okay, door panel. There is two clips. You push on them. The light's supposed to go right here, and let's see. just like so. Okay, same thing is, yeah, I got bloody with this thing, so we need to push on this side and on this side, so it comes out, taking it off, and now a bunch of wires. So this is what you need to take off the wiring. So you press on the pin and then pull it out. So right after you take the door panel is out, now there is a 4 rubber pieces. Okay, so when you take this bolt and this bolt, so but you can't really see, but yeah, and the handle is supposed to be to come out, but it will hold on things there. Okay, so the bolts are out. So now it's lock part, and then this one we just need to kind of shake it out. Just like so. Take a lock off, so screwdriver, just primed on this side and this side. This need to be completely out, I assume. Just like so. And it goes only one way because there is a bigger part and smaller. Bigger, smaller. So it's only one way. Just press on it and it clips in. Okay, let's install it back. Okay, so this one is going first. So just kind of go down. Let's not break it. Okay. And now the lock part. Lock part is gonna be easy. Just click. Good to go. So jiggling all around. We're almost there. So you're taking a masking tape, put it just like so, and pull it around it, and kind of stick it in. just like so. And let's do the same thing for the other bolt. Put the tape around it. Okay, so inside, just pull it out, and tape is here, and the bolt is there. Let's see if it's pulling. Let's put the door panel back. Actually, first, let's go ahead and test it. Let's get a key. Okay, it works. Okay, so to put the door back, so there is a clips here. Don't forget about this small wire. So there is a hooks is on the bottom, so just putting it so it resting on them. So it's resting is on the hooks. After that, you just go ahead and plug the wires. There's the 4 clips. I just unplugged it, so I guess it's gonna be easier. But it's easier to unplug it from the inside than actually unplug it from here. So, well, less chance to break it. And also door. And a mirror somewhere there. Okay, so it's also going here. So we need kind of lift it up. Oh, oops. Set it there. Just lift it just a little bit up. Okay, so it's all clipped in. Let's do the wiring. So they're all different sizes, so I would say it's impossible to. Also, there is a color grading thingies here, so this one probably goes here. And then there is a brown or a gray. Nope. Right here. And then there is a black and white. Nope. So gray and white, and we have some more. What day goes for, because there is really no space for anything else. I guess just the different model goes with the different setups or something. And I believe just snaps on, just like so. Go ahead and tie it. Tie the bolts, and I need to change the door handle. Yeah, it's there, kind of a GM kind of issue. Door handle. You can find it on Amazon, eBay, anywhere. Let's do those bolts also. It's going for top. This one goes for the bottom. Just clips on, and then we have the door knob. Guess what? I forgot to put this like this one there. Oh well, it's not that big of a deal. And the last piece is on the bottom. Good to go. No. This is the last piece. Goes inside. Here's the easy installation.